Ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Nas. I know it's been some time right now. I haven't did anything with my channel. Just took a little vacay myself with the family, just enjoying the summer. What are you guys up to? I know some of you like, what happened to this kid? Why isn't he vlogging or why isn't he making any Dunkin' Donut video? Well, I'm busy. So today I'm gonna go to Long Island to buy a floating boat. Not the actual boat, it's too expensive. We don't have a spot to put at. But me and my brother gonna buy those floating boats that it's like you could put air in and they float and stuff. You know what I'm talking about, right? So that's it. It's gonna take an hour and 45 minutes. I'm not sure if it's gonna be a boring ride or it's gonna be a fun ride. It's kind of hot today. Let's see. I guess tomorrow we're gonna go fishing, and if the weather's okay, we will at nighttime. If it's not, oh man, look at this traffic though. Say hey, what's up?
You're probably just gonna get a punch on your face, dude.
What?
For recording the street.
Recording the road? Recording how busy this road is right now? How slowly we're driving? And knowing that it's gonna take an hour to get there? You are insane, my friend. You are insane. Look at this traffic. Are you kidding me? Holy shit.
Why?
We tried our best. And we're still in traffic. You see, this is what happens when you freaking make a plan on a Friday, especially in the evening or afternoon.
Why don't you just shut up? Seriously, stop doing this. Stop doing this. Stop doing
Why,
this.
man?
And you're not wasting your battery.
Why?
Battery right now?
No, I'm not. I'm not wasting my battery. Watch your mouth. Yo, watch your mouth, little boy. Ah, this traffic. Maricons. 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 Finally, we're moving. You happy, bro? You happy? You happy? You happy? I think we could actually make it there in time. But if we don't, can I punch you in the face for taking me? It's literally taking us 2 hours to get to a place. It's like going to another fucking state. It's not even fun. That's my shit, that's my soul. Say cheese.
Oh, look at the muscle. Oh,
Don't be a fag. Don't be a fag.
Oh, man.
Nobody wants to see your muscles, bro. Shut up.
Hey, girls, look at the body. Hey, girls, look at that body.
Look at this dude. Look at this dude. That's not even muscles. What is that? Just don't show up when you don't have muscles, man.
Yeah, it's an implanted.
Yeah, implanted balloons.
plan.
Trying to show off this skinny ass nigga.
Biceps.
Okay. Biceps. My ass. My ass. How much is this floating boat anyway? $800? You out of your mind, bro. You out of your mind. $800? How much? You told me $800 on the phone.
Alright.
Please.
Can you stop recording so I can?
No, because obviously we're gonna go there. I'm gonna be recording how much it is and stuff.
Alright, then I'm not gonna take you inside the store.
Why not? It's not like you could stop me from going in there.
Oh, shut up.
So how much?
It's expensive.
Alright. Guys, he doesn't want to tell me in the video, so I'm gonna stop recording for a little bit. So finally we're here. Literally a second away from the location. Are you having any doubts, brother? Are you sure you want to buy this floating? Alright, let's buy this.
I believe this is it.
You sure this is it?
This is it.
This doesn't look like it. Looks like a warehouse, dude. Like some sort of warehouse. Hi, I'm looking for the Sea Eagle warehouse. The boats and stuff.
Right over the railroad tracks.
So the next one. Okay, so I gotta get back on the road and then make it right?
Yeah, but just go right over the railroad tracks and they're right there.
Thank you very much, sweetie. Alright. Sweetie. Sweetie, you call her sweetie. Oh man. My brother could be romantic sometimes.
All the railroad tracks.
So the railroad tracks, I think. This one right here.
Here we go.
There you go. You could even see a little floating boat too.
One of their
product.
one of their boat.
Which is nice.
Pretty cool,
right? So this is the spot, huh? Yeah. All I see says wholesale fruits and vegetables.
Why am I buying?
I think it's the other side, right here.
Yeah.
What in the bloody hell?
Keep my car over there.
Just put it right here.
No, there's no parking. Come on, dude.
Dude, but we are actually getting something from here.
Yeah, but still.
Oh my God, my legs are killing me, dude. I guess this is it. But yeah, let me just
quickly run to that.
Run where? Oh, my legs are killing me, guys. 2 hours drive all the way to I don't even know where this place is at. Sucks. I could get lost in here. Guys, just look at that boat. Yo, well, what's up? Are you actually checking their product out?
Those things are actually thick. They're not easy to pop and shit. Let's go.
Are you sure? Oh shit. So we're gonna actually buy something like this, but a little bit bigger. A little bit bigger. Damn, guy. Hold on. But look at this. This is beautiful.
This one is amazing, but the thing is, it has like no side gird or anything.
And plus, I think we'll have hard time deploading this with the steels and everything.
Yeah. This is some heavier stuff.
Wow, this is beautiful.
Yeah, probably need that assistant. Yeah, it was.
Wow.
So this is.
Yeah, it sure is.
Now, this is like.
And then these are the valves here. What it'll look like on the boat there that you have. Push them. Yep. Push them counterclockwise. To deflate, inflate is a push and a turn.
Got it.
That's what she'll do to deflate and inflate.
Alright.
That's the fast track.
And those are the cages. I'm seriously thinking about that one. But
That's the reason, like 473.
these are
That's
also
for
pretty
two
cool.
people. If you are looking for something more that's great for fishing as well, you may want to look at like our fast track model, our explorer models, because they can use small trolling motors. You do have different fishing options.
So guys, I couldn't record anything because I felt like they were gonna say something. Sorry about that. I thought they were gonna say something, and I don't want to be inappropriate or say something stupid. Finally got the stop. Me and my brothers actually trying to figure out what to do with it, how to fix it. We want to test it out today and as immediately as possible because we don't want any conflict or any problem later on. We'd rather have it fixed and see if it works. If it doesn't, we'll return it. We got 6 months, which is a great deal. You get 6 months. And if something goes wrong, you could always bring it back, and I think you get your money back. And we fix the light again. There you go. Then get another one or get your money back. But let's hope that doesn't happen to us. We don't want our money back. I mean, if it's a good money, it's a lot of money. I think overall everything was $1,600 with tax and everything, which is excellent, which is great for us. Let me just show you the parts that we're trying to fix and get things right. Look at this guy working his ass off. You good? Sweating already, huh? Good job, bro. You need my help? You need my help, buddy? Why don't you just take the paper off? Probably the paper gives out extra.
Should slide in either way.
You might have to put pressure and give it more. Hey guys, I didn't get to, me and my brother didn't get to test the boat last night. By the time we finished fixing it up, it was so windy and the water was it was moving a lot. If we want to test something out, we cannot test it out on a extremely wavy ocean or river, whatever it is. Just woke up. I'm tired. Last night we tried to catch some fish. Didn't work out. It was just so windy and I was extremely cold. I was tired. We all were tired, especially me and my brother. But guys, thanks for watching the video. Subscribe for more. My voice is fucked up. It's great to make YouTube videos again. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys later.